Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Making a stop to check out this 88 BMW 325i, which is the 6-cylinder convertible. Car's been sitting a couple years and we're going to fire it up and see what we want to get into. We're here in Lincoln, Nebraska. And man, I don't see any evidence of body rust. The body looks very straight. Has a couple of oil leaks in the top of that. The grill's cracked there. We're going to try to start it. The convertible top has some damage. I don't know if that's all the way through, but that's definitely a hole there. Hole here. The back is damaged. Guy that owns it has children, and it's kind of little uncomfortable putting kids back here. Seats coming apart there. Yeah, that hole went through the top. It's got tape there. See if we can see the miles on it. It's 5-speed. Mileage looks like the odometer might have stopped at 94,000 because the trip is zeroed out. But we're going to try to start it and see how it runs. I don't know if that's the window crank or not. Looks like it's might have power windows. He went to get the battery tested, even though they said they charged the battery. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. The glass trying to close over the convertible top. Batteries drained down to 6 volts. Bad battery, so don't use AutoZone in Omaha for battery verification. We got a jump box here. Pastor Ryan, hard at work. Yeah, these things are like a safety on there, so you can't do it backwards.
You ready?
Yes, contact. Whew, look at the dust. Will it let you go again?
No.
Yeah, it's complaining. See if you can get it started if it goes again. Hold on, let me take it all the way off. Yeah, a little bit of smoke, not bad. Not bad at all.
I think it is. Sometimes they think they're dating celebrities. This one guy thought he was dating.
What?
It was like Lady Gaga or something. I mean, it was like,
What?
It was like, what are you talking about? He's like, well, it's just she has to keep it secret because of.
Are you kidding me?
No, I mean it's amazing.
They were posing as Lady Gaga. Wow, that's freaking nuts. That's nuts. Huh?
That's that's a nice jacket.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. This, something I walk in the mornings.
It's good for this temperature.
Oh yeah, man. I'm actually kind of warm in it right now. For me, this is like almost t-shirt temperature for me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, any flashlight I would have brought out if I could have even found one.
Can't compete with that.
Cannot compete with that.
That might blind you.
Yes, it's supposed to last like 4 hours too. Good long
It's
time.
lighting in the kennel.
Yeah, you can sort it. Okay, so Robert, I'm trying to think of what was going on before I quit driving. So for sure,
Car is missing, so we decided to pull a spark plug just to see how they look. Man, they had a tool in the car. Just pull the spark plugs. This is part of the tool. Let me show you the rest of it. I thought it was a lug nut tool, but it's for pulling the spark plug. And this tool, let us get a spark plug out. It's got a little piece of plastic in there to hold the spark plug and everything. Look at it. Look at that spark plug. It looks horrible. Actually, looks like some of the ceramic is busted on it. What exactly would be causing an oil leak up here, and what he recommends replacing, and how long he thinks it'll take. Got a nice list of stuff to do on this BMW. We're gonna add struts on there. I'm gonna look at the dates on these tires, see what that is, and just go from there. I'll get back with them. Somebody stripped the screw out of this license plate bracket, so I'm gonna try to get those out. Might have enough meat on them. Look like somebody already tried to get them out with vice grips, so we'll see what happens here. Got it to move a little bit, both of them, but they're still stuck. So we're gonna try to spray some WD-40 up under there,
Okay, so if I
and then we're gonna hit it with some
this.
heat if I have to. On this Prius, we got one screw out, a lot of wiggling back and forth. That screw broke off. Can't get it to move with heat or vice grips or WD-40. So we're gonna screw this one in here and glue that side over there. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.